Hello everyone, my name is Shubhajit and today we will be discussing about the one of the higher order functions of arrays in JavaScript, that is map. So let me tell you where map is used. So whenever we have an array like this, okay, and we want to change each of the elements of the array to something else, okay, then we need this map. Map can also be used, let's say we have an array of integers, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, and we want to find the square of each of the elements in the array. In that case also we can use map. So why are we using map when each of the elements inside this array can definitely be uh, like pass through a for loop, and then each of the elements can be mutated to something else, and then we can get a new array out of that. That is also possible. Yeah, that is also possible. But what will happen is when we use a map, it makes the code concise and easy to understand. Let me code the map function. Let me code that, use the map function here, and then you will be able to understand that how it is really easy to actually map things out, to mutate the things. Okay, so let's say my use case is I want to add this done string at end of each of the elements of the array names. Okay, so let me declare a new names array, and new names array, what value will be present in new names? New names will contain something like Shubhajit done, Rahul done, Ankit done, Sohan done. Okay, for that we will be applying the map function over the names array. And what this map function will do, this map function will take another function. So the definition of a higher order function is a function which takes another callback function as an argument, which has the further computation of that. So what I'm doing here, I'm calling the map function over an array names, and inside that map function let me have a callback function, callback fn. Now let me define that function. So this callback function will take an argument which is one of the elements here in the array. So one of the elements, let's take it in a variable name, and what we want to do with that element, each of the element of the array, what we want to do with that, we actually want to append an array done to that. So that's why I will return the name whatever it is plus this done string. Okay, so what it will do, let me show you. Let me console log. So the names first and new names next. Saving it and running this. Can you see that we have the normal names here? That is, the names array is not disturbed. The names array is as it is. So this is one more functionality of the map higher order function, that it doesn't change the actual array. It will create a new array, it will mutate the things, and it will return that new array, and that's stored in the new names array here. So you can see that the new names is actually this Shubhajit done, Rahul done, Ankit done, and so on done. Appending done at each of the elements of the array. So this is what you have understood about the map function. Let me make it a little bit more concise. So you can see we have a callback function here. Okay. Now a good practice is to define this callback function inside this map only, inside this map as the parameter only. So what we will do, we will cut it out from here, and what we will do, okay, what I have done here, I have created an arrow function. If you don't know about arrow functions, please go through the documentation, and it's very easy thing, you will be able to know. But here you can basically see that what is happening, that the names.map function, what it is doing, the names.map function, it is running for each of the element name inside the names function, and for each of the name, what we are doing, we are returning the name plus done. It means inside the new names we will have these four elements with each of the elements having done at the last of appended at after each of the elements. Okay, I hope you are able to understand this. And we can also decrease this a little bit more. I don't need a return statement and a parenthesis when I have only one thing to return, and I do not need to do any computation inside this inside that parenthesis. So I just need to return name plus done. This should also work. Let me clear this output and let me run this again, and you will be able to see that the same output is coming. Okay, so I hope you are able to understand this video about the map function. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. I will be really happy to help. Thanks a lot, guys.